In the past, these piles of wood chips, crop straw, and even furniture factory scraps had no other option but to be burned or buried. But today, in 2026, under the global trend toward carbon neutrality, they have transformed into green gold in industries, heating, and even power generation.
Hi guys, welcome to Shandong Changshan Machinery Camping. I'm your friend. A lot of people may ask me, is it a good time to enter our biomass pellet market? My answer is yes, and we will have a high quality and low consumption market in the future. Today, I will show you our biomass pellet machine and give you some basic logic of our machine, how it works. So please give me some like and correct me, because I will give you some instruction about how to select a good machine. Why do you want to focus on biomass pellet? Of course, it's a kind of good alternative for energy. It is known to us the price of coal or natural gas is very expensive. As you know, the biomass pellet has a quality of stable standard value, and it's also a kind of energy that has low carbon emission, and the demand is increasing considerably every year. Another factor is about profit. As you know, the rubbish of raw material is very cheap, and we will make our raw material into high density pellets. It has the advantage of more volume, but it is very convenient to transport, and most importantly, the profit will be doubled. And one of the most important factors that you need to consider is that how do you produce stable and high density pellets in very low energy. So this is the core technology I'd like to talk about today. When we use traditional machine to create the raw material will be hard to enter our hull of rain dye. As you can see, the rain dye is applied in our machine. When the raw material enter our chamber, they will be spread in our rain dye evening. This will solve the problem of machine shaking caused by the fading unevenly, and the output will be stable continuously. As you know, in our old-fashioned machine, the rain dye will be rotary, so it can cause a lot of problems, such as it's very hard to repair and maintain. But as you know, in our new machine, the roller will be rotary and it's powered by our main shaft, and the centrifugal force will make our raw material into our rain dye. It's not only the output is very smoothly, but also can reduce the friction loss. What are you most afraid of in our industry? And maybe you are afraid that the machine will stop working and you need to repair it immediately. Because once the machine stops working immediately, you will lose a lot of money. In Changshan Camping, every machine has a lubrication pump system, and you don't need to stand by our machine and monitor it anytime, because it will be monitored by our system, and the lubricant will be added to our machine by our system at a given time. So the machine can run for a long time in a very stable way. Then let's have a look at our materials. The technology of vacuum heat treatment are applied in our machine, which is durable. Of course, a good machine is only half success, and the professional plan is also important. We are not only a manufacturer, but we are also your planner of your factory. From the moisture control of raw material to the process of drying, and then to the packing system, and finally we will give you our one-stop solutions. And we sell our machine to a lot of foreign countries, no matter what kind of raw material you use, such as the palm shell from Asia or the sawdust of Europe. We will give you definitely good solutions. we can turn agricultural waste into treasures. It's not only a can do for business, but also it's very good for your descendants. If you are looking for a reliable manufacturer, or you have some question about our biomass pellet machine, please send a message and we will give you a solution for you. So please give me a lot of likes and click me. And this is Changshan Machinery Company. So see you next time. Bye.